Okay, working on assignment 3-2, or in unit 3, 3-2, working with undo, redo, and revisions. From our home page, get to the directions. I've opened another tab. Let's see, we're going to create a new document. And going to rename it, as we have all our other ones, 3-2. And then come on back here to the text to copy and paste. Quite a big block of text about the smartphone. Okay, I select the entire block of text. I right click, go to copy, go back to my document. Going to use my keyboard shortcut this time. Do Control, hold down Control, hit V, paste it all in. Alrighty, and then we'll get into formatting. Formatting, I'm going to select the title, smartphone. Going to center, clicking on center align. Change the style to title. Select the subtitle. Going to center. Change the style to subtitle. Select all the text, and we're going to justify it. So select everything to the end of the document. Click on the justify. Even out that right margin. Going to select history, the heading history, and make that heading 1. And 2 subheadings. We're going to do heading 2 for early years. So I select it. Go on up to styles and select heading 2. And we're also going to do forerunners. Clicking on styles, I'm going to heading 2. Notice I'm starting to move a little faster as we get further into the course. These are things that we've done quite a number of times now. I'm going to select one of the forerunners, IBM Simon and Charging Base. And I'm going to make that bold. Make it stand out a little bit. Okay, so I've made quite a number of changes here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to unwind it. So there's 2 ways you can do this. The undo, very functional. When you make a mistake, you can hit undo a number of times. As I hit it, every time I click it, so I clicked it about 8-9 times, reverting to the original unformatted document. On the other side of undo, the left arrow, we have redo. So notice that I can also do the keyboard shortcut. So you can see the steps that you're taking to format this document. I selected from Wikipedia, I centered it, and then I made it subtitle. I'm going to use Control Y. I selected everything, did the right margin, made history a heading, made early years heading 2, forerunners heading 2, and I put bold on IBM Simon and Charging Base. Now here's a very powerful tool within Google Docs. Under the File menu, you can see the revision history. Okay, so today I'm working on this 7:02 p.m. Notice I want to say Show Changes. I'm going to show more detailed revisions. Now it shows all the revisions that I made by time. So I can roll it back real quickly. I can restore this revision to the original. And it shows step by step the formatting, any changes I made to this document at any point. I can click on Restore this revision and revert back to that revision. So let's find the one. Now the bottom one has the blank. At 6:58 it was blank. At 6:59 p.m. that was the original unformatted. Okay, so I'm going to take a screen capture of this by clicking Print Screen. I'm not going to restore this revision. I'm going to go back to the completely formatted. And I'm going to come down here, close this revision pane, click at the bottom, and I'm going to use copy, or paste, paste, to paste in my screen capture, which is going to show my screen. Again, yours will look different, but right here on this picture, on the side of the screen right here, this is the unformatted version that I took a screen capture of. Notice I have a double monitor setup. These are all the windows I have open while I'm constructing this video. Okay. So go ahead and check this. So we have the completely formatted version on the top, and underneath we have the screen capture that shows that if you use the revision pane, and I'll see evidence of the revision pane right here. Okay, time to check it against the key.